Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you this electric rechargeable mower I got today to do some work on. This is a Toro recycler, personal pace, so auto drive, cordless 60 volt electric. It's actually got a steel deck just like all of the gas mowers that we work on. This is a model 21466. So it was brought to me, there's the 60 volt battery right there. It was brought to me because the owner was complaining that it doesn't bag very well. They said it constantly plugs up and leaves grass on the turf. This one has a bagging or a mulching switch, so I guess in the summertime you can mulch the grass without the bag, and in the spring and the fall time when you need to bag, you can bag with it. Kind of handy. It's got the folding handle just like all of the gas ones, the personal pace system like that, which is kind of neat. So we're gonna take it inside the shop here, guys, and take a look at the blade and see if we can figure out why this thing doesn't bag properly. So guys, this machine has a mulching bagging blade on it, which you can see these cuts, gouges in the blade. These are designed to mulch the grass, to chew it up, and then it's got a little bit of a lift wing to it to bag the grass, but really it doesn't do a fantastic job of either of those two things. I was able to find an aftermarket bagging blade, so this is a replacement blade that goes on, and you can see there's a much higher, more pronounced wingtip to it, which causes more lift, which moves more grass into a bag, in theory. So I'm just going to pop this blade off. And show you the differences. You can see that the blade that was on the machine is very flat, and again with these carves on the end in order to mulch, it loses even more of its airlift, where this blade, once installed, creates much more vacuum to pick that grass up and shove it into the bag. So we're just going to go over to the wall to our grinder, and we're going to put a new fresh edge on there, and then we're going to attach this blade to this mower and take it out into some grass and see if it bags any better. Just going to put on our blade stiffener, our new high lift bagging blade. And we're going to take this baby outside and try some cutting. So guys, we found some grass. Doesn't really need to be cut, but can be cut. And we've set the height adjusters on the second from the lowest, so this thing's actually pretty low, so it's gonna cut some grass, and we just want to show you how good this new blade throws the grass into that bag. So the whole time we had a pretty good puff of bag going on, and she didn't plug. She took about a, would you say that's an inch? Maybe 3/4 of an inch off. You can see it there. That wingtip blade made a huge difference. I'll put a link down below in the description. You can pick one up for yourself. Alright guys, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.